Ever wondered if the humble cucumber could hold the secret to weight loss? Today, we're peeling back the layers on a lesser-known form of this cool, crisp veggie, cucumber powder. Cucumber powder, you ask? Yes, indeed. It's a simple concept, really. Fresh cucumbers are dehydrated and then ground into a fine powder. This process ensures that most of the nutrients found in fresh cucumbers, such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals, are retained. So why all the fuss about fiber? Well, fiber, my friends, is known to promote feelings of fullness, and feeling full can help keep those pesky cravings at bay and prevent overeating. But that's not all. Cucumbers are also packed with antioxidants. These little warriors can help reduce inflammation in the body and support overall health. Now, the million-dollar question: can cucumber powder actually help with weight loss? The answer, unfortunately, is not as clear-cut as we might like. Some studies suggest there may be a link between cucumber consumption and lower body weight, but the research is still in its early stages and more is needed to confirm these findings. Remember, while cucumber powder might offer some potential benefits, it's not a magic potion for weight loss. A healthy diet and regular exercise remain key to shedding those pounds and keeping them off. And as always, before you go sprinkling cucumber powder on everything, do consult with a healthcare professional. It's always best to err on the side of caution when adding any new supplement to your routine. So there you have it, folks. Cucumber powder, an intriguing addition to the world of health foods with potential benefits for weight loss. But as with all things, more research is needed, and moderation is key. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Now, before we end this video, let's take a moment to focus on something very important: your support. You see that red subscribe button below the video? Yes, that one. We need you to hit that button. It's your way of telling us that you like our content and want us to keep exploring and sharing more about the wonders of nature and health. Remember, subscribing is absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and be a part of our health-conscious community. Your support means the world to us.